If Chrome is showing the error, "This site can't provide a secure connection," don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 quick fixes that solve this problem for most people. We'll start with the most common solution, then clear Chrome's cache and cookies, and finally clear the SSL state on your computer. These steps are simple, safe, and usually take just a few minutes. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's get into it. First, let's fix your date and time, because this is one of the most common reasons Chrome throws secure connection errors. Right-click the clock on the bottom right of your taskbar, then click Adjust Date and Time. In the Settings window, turn on Set Time automatically, then also turn on Set Time Zone automatically. If either of those options is already on, switch it off and back on again just to refresh the settings. Once that's done, close the window and restart Chrome. In many cases, that alone is enough to solve the problem because secure websites rely on your device clock being correct. If the error still appears, the next step is to clear Chrome's cache and cookies. Over time, old browser data can interfere with secure connections and cause websites to stop loading properly. In Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Make sure cookies and other site data is selected, and also check cached images and files. If you want to be thorough, you can leave browsing history unchecked unless you also want to remove it, then click Delete Data. After that, close Chrome completely and open it again before testing the site. This can remove corrupted or outdated browser data that may be causing the connection issue. Now for the third fix, we'll clear the SSL state. SSL stores secure connection information on your system, and if that information becomes outdated or damaged, websites may fail to load securely. To do this, open Control Panel on your Windows computer. Then click View Network Status and Tasks. From there, look to the bottom left area and open Internet Options. Once the Internet Properties window appears, go to the Content tab. Here, you'll see a button labeled Clear SSL State. Click that button and Windows will clear the stored secure connection cache. After that, click OK to close the window. Once you've completed all 3 methods, go back and try opening the website again in Chrome. In most cases, one of these fixes will resolve the secure connection error and get the site loading normally again. If the problem is still there, it may be related to the website itself, your antivirus, or your network settings. But these 3 steps solve the issue for a lot of users. If this tutorial helped you fix the Chrome secure connection error, please give the video a like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.